Welcome back to the Wings on Wheels, and today in this vlog we are installing the Enkei PFM1 on my GTI as a part of Project El Sueno. If you haven't watched the previous vlog of unboxing the Enkei PFM1, then I would suggest you to watch that first and then come back to this video again. So as you guys know that GTI comes with a 16-inch rim with a tire profile of 215/45 R16, but as I'm upgrading to 17-inch rims with these Enkei, I have chosen the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, which are really good for grip and handling. The only thing I will be compromising a bit with these tires is the width, as I wanted to upsize within the correct odo error of 3%, and I would only find 205/45 ZR17 in PS4 for 17-inch rims. The correct upsize would have been 215/40 or 225/40, but sadly none is available. And to Michelin India, if you're listening, then please launch these, because I am sure people are looking for these tires and they can only find these tire profile in Yokohama as of now. So guys, moving on, today we are going to BK Tyres, Lajpat Nagar, for the installation of these alloys and tires. I have purchased these tires from here only, and once the tires are on alloys, we will get their balancing done and then install it. So just bear with me a little bit more till we get each and every tire installed on alloy and get their balancing done, and then finally you can see how do they look on my Volkswagen GTI. So guys, as everything is finished, here are some pictures to show you how do they look on my GTI. I hope that you guys like it because I feel that they have totally changed the look of my car. Thank you for watching this video, and a part of Project El Sueno has finished with wheels and tires. Next time we will show you what catback exhaust I will be installing on my GTI. This is Wings on Wheels signing off.